This is Viega FostaPex. I installed it in my basement to go from the boiler, oil-fired boiler, to a Modine garage heater about 5 years ago. And it is splitting, okay? Sorry about the white balance on this camcorder, but see there, the outer sheath is splitting, almost like a tire, kind of bulges out. In quite a few areas, it's bulging out. So I was concerned that it would compromise the integrity of the product. I mean, it's everywhere. And I was actually thinking of replacing a good portion of this with some leftover. Here, there's some right here. So I reached out, I actually contacted Viega company, and they were very nice. They responded immediately. I just want to tell you what it says. It's FostaPex, okay? They wrote back, the blistering and cracking of the outer polyethylene casing on FostaPex is normal due to expansion and contraction and does not need to be replaced. Please see attached document for reference, and if you have any further questions, please give us a call. The attached document says, it's printed June 2013, it's a technical advisory, and it's about Viega FostaPex blistering. It was recently brought to Viega's attention that FostaPex tubing, when used in certain radiant applications, can exhibit a blistering effect in the outer PE and aluminum layer when the system is exposed to fluctuating system temperatures, spanning the entire range of the tubing's temperature ratings, which is 73 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Upon extensive review and testing, Viega has determined this blistering does not negatively impact the product's performance, including oxygen permeation, and is purely aesthetic. Since the inner layer of tubing is constructed in conformance with ASTM F876, a full PEX wall thickness is present, which maintains the integrity of the tubing's design, temperature, and pressure capabilities. And then it goes on to say Viega strives for quality on all products. This is an aesthetic issue only, and we're going to try to develop the product differently so this doesn't happen in the future. Anyway, that's it. It's from Viega Product Management, Plumbing and Heating Systems, Viega LLC. So the reason I'm putting this video out is if you have blistering like that, do not be concerned. I was actually worried that I was going to have to cut out a large section and crimp in another section, compress in another section, but not necessary according to Viega. All right, that's it. I hope that helped somebody, so have a good day.